ever come across a lot lizard back in the day?
Oh, I've seen them all the time. Yeah, but I didn't bother with them.
Stop the cap.
Yeah, but they was used to be. I don't think it's plenty for it. They was, but yeah, they were there.
Asking me about this shit. Is it true
Treehouse.
that you used to be a male exotic dancer? They used to call you coffee cakes. What advice do you have for somebody first coming into truck driving? What advice do you have for them?
Well, my first advice would be safety first. Take your time. If you're not sure, safety is the most important thing. So that's what my advice would be.
My name is Sidney Millwood, and I'm a truck driver. Fly, eagles fly, on the road to victor. Fly, eagles fly, score a touchdown, 1, 2. Hit 'em low, pause. Hit 'em high, pause. Watch those eagles fly, fly, eagles fly, on the road to victory. EAGLES, Eagle! It's a day in the life of a yard driver, a local driver. A lot of people come in truck driving thinking they automatically gonna be a local driver. No, you don't. 8 times out of 10, they gonna try to push you to go over the road. They gonna say things to you like, you don't have no experience, I'm sorry. You need 3 to 6 months experience, I'm sorry. That's how they gonna try to get you. There's always a company out there. It's probably one of the smaller companies that'll take a shot on you coming fresh out of school. They're gonna try to push you to be over the road. Right now, I'm what you call a yard jockey, yard driver, whatever you wanna call it. When it comes to truck driving, whatever you want out of it, you got to figure out what type of truck driver you are.